We're starting. Hi, good morning, my friends. Good afternoon now. So we're starting a series of lives in which we're starting a series of lives which we're going to start talking about different topics. Today we're going to talk about mortgage protection programs and what we're doing in open insurances for you people if you are around the U.S., living in the U.S. If you're a broker or if you are in any industry and you need life insurance, we are right now open insurances. We just did an alliance, a very important alliance. So we are offering our clients mortgage protection programs online. With you don't need to visit your client. We can actually sell you through social media and through online platforms, through internet and by email. We can do a WhatsApp call or a phone call, over the phone call, telephone sales, and online sales. And for that, we have a series of products that you can actually buy. It's not unlimited. It's going to be life insurance or mortgage protection life insurance, so you can protect your mortgage in these times of crisis. And if you are at home and you're thinking about getting into the insurance business, write to us, send us a DM with your telephone, and we will call you right away so we can start doing business from home. Open Insurance is a platform, it's an insurance platform, insurance brokerage platform to help you out, make money from home, make money from your iPhone. So we can help you out in doing that, and we've been doing it for the last 3 years all over Latin America, and now we're expanding to the U.S. as well. And we are partnering with the best in the country so we could do online sales all over the country. So the first product that I'd like to introduce, and the first thing that many people have asked us through social media, several people say to us, how do we get life insurance from home if we can't go to a doctor and do a physical examination or a medical examination? And here's what we're offering. We just went, there's a series of insurance companies. We have actually 3 insurance companies that have offered us for U.S. citizens and for people living in any state of the U.S., in the 50 states of the U.S. We have different products that we can actually underwrite through online. So we have up to 400,000 in some cases for people 55 years and under. And if you're over 55, we reduce that amount to 250,000, and after 70, it would be after 70 it would be 150,000. So we're gonna have fantastic programs. You can actually DM us if you need some kind of protection for your mortgage. Some of you might have life insurance right now for your family, for if something really comes and happens to you, and you're not there to provide for the family, then you'll have coverage. But a very important thing that sometimes banks and sometimes clients don't realize is that you are gonna need to leave your house paid. There's insurance for hurricane, for flood, for anything, but one of the most for a family is the leader of the family, or if there are 2 leaders, both have to be insured. So just in case something happens, their home is protected. So this allows you the opportunity to get a policy just for your home, to pay the home or to pay taxes, whatever you need to pay once you're not here with us anymore. So details, we get very, very inexpensive programs for U.S. citizens. It's going to be like 10-year, 15-year, 20-year, and 30-year terms, and there's also 25-year terms. All of them you can actually do it on. We can do it online with you. We can help you out, build your program as detailed as possible. But the good thing about this is that if you answer some questions properly, you can actually get insurance right away. There's many people, again, I repeat, there's many people that have asked us how can they manage to underwrite a policy if they can't go to a medical examination. And these particular products that Open Insurances is offering right now are totally immediate underwriting through internet. So we have the questions that we ask. If we need some more information, we'll call you, and someone in the team will call you to finish up the details, but you can actually get coverage right away. So that's pretty important. And as I was saying, 300,000 with some companies and 400,000 automatically. If you need higher amounts, what we suggest is you do both applications. You can do one application with one insurance company up to 300 and the other one up to 400 if you're under 55. So mortgage protection program could also work for anyone who needs life insurance at this point. All of you out there that need the coverage for something that you bought, particularly not even the house, but a second home, or some investment you might made, or your portfolio is diminishing due to the stock prices and the stock market. It's a good time to get protection, so you can cover up that spread. So you can go from 25,000 up to 300,000. It could be any amount, and you can use that. It's going to be term. It's going to be 10 years, 15 years, 20 years until we get out of this crisis, or until you pay your debts, or the time you have in your mortgage, or the time you have in your plan, in your business plan, so you can be protected during this whole season. So that being said, there's many riders that we can add, and riders, as you can add your kids, you can waive your premium, you can have unemployment benefits. If you get unemployed, you can get up to 6 months no paying the premiums, and you can get return of premium at the end. This is a term policy, which means that you're going to pay every year no matter what, and if you don't pay, the policy it's lapsed. So there is a possibility to add a rider, which is a return of premium. That means that if you spend 10 years paying, let's say $1,000 a year, or $100 a month, it's $1,200. Then at the end of the 10 years, that $12,000, you'll get it back, less administrative fees and charges, but you'll get back most of the premium. So that's a good option as well. It gets the policy a little bit expensive, but it works. And the other perk that it has, it's a rider that it means that if your house gets damaged in a hurricane, with a problem with whatever it is that you have, up to from 25,000 and over, then you can get 6 months no payments on your premium. So that's a good perk to add to it. And an accidental death benefit as well. So mortgage protection program for us is all of you out there, anyone who is overflowing now with expenses, or anyone now that is trying to avoid this crisis that we are all into, and this crisis is going to stay there for a long time. Now it's your time to think about what would be your loss of income in the future if something odd happens to you. This is the time to think about that and prepare yourself and get covered and get the protection you need. And in life insurance, there's no pricing, so life is priceless. So you can have as many policies as you want, because there's no limit. You can have 4, 5, 6 different carriers, and but if you have not covered your mortgage and you need mortgage protection programs, call us, send us an email, send us a DM message through Instagram, through Facebook, and through my phone is 561-542-5565. Send me a direct message, and we'll help you out with that. And if you're an agent and you want to come into a team, you want to join our team, you are more than welcome. Come on over. If your wife wants to join the team, if your good friend wants to join the team, you can share this information to your friends and let them know we're in this business and we can help you out, increase and grow your sales and start making money from home in this particular crisis, because there's 330 million people in this country, and there's a lot of people is underinsured or not insured at all. So there's a big opportunity there, because this is a product that anyone needs at any age. If you are from 15 to 25, you will need it because it's so cheap that it's going to lock in your rate for the rest of your life. If you're 25 to 50, then you're in your production time. then you are producing a lot of money, and you're trying to build a business, start up a company, be an entrepreneur, and you're handling a lot of risk. So it's good to be protected with a good life insurance policy. And then if you're over 50 to 75, you're now a director of the companies. Then you need more protection because you're gonna need you're gonna have more family coming in. You're gonna have grandchildren that you want to protect them. You can leave them as beneficiaries of your policies, so their universities are covered, or your granddaughter is having an important moment in their life, and you want to help them out. So this is a moment to start thinking about others below you, and then from 70 to up to 675 or up to 100, you will want to leave a legacy, so transcend generation. So you, at any point in life, you're gonna need life insurance, and this is a perfect moment to do it. You can do it online. We can do all the process through WhatsApp, through Instagram, or through telephone, and you can get protected right away. For all of you who heard my course Secrets from an Insurance Broker, we just finished that yesterday, and it's gonna be online. It's gonna be in YouTube, and if it's gonna be in Udemy, you can go into Udemy right now and buy the course Secrets from an Insurance Company, Secrets from an Insurance Broker. In English, it's gonna be, well, it is already in Spanish, in English, in Portuguese, and French, and right there you get a lot of notion of if you're an entrepreneur, if you're an insurance broker or insurance agent, it's gonna help you out tremendously. So this is the moment to prepare yourself and train yourself for this crisis, and things are gonna switch and are gonna change forever after this coronavirus. So if you want to join our team, you want to join the best online insurance brokerage platform there is, come on over, send us a DM message, and we'll be here for you. So we'll be doing 15-minute talks every single day with different ideas, different products that we're inventing, different things that we're putting up together, so we can help you out sort this crisis, and give you an opportunity to help people insure themselves, grow the market, and get people protected and help them be protected in case something terrible happens. So thank you so much for listening, and we'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.